Hello, this is John from IT Skills Academy, and today I show you how you can be able to install Windows 11 on unsupported machine. So without so much ado, let's get started, shall we? And before we continue, it is good to note that Microsoft may not be responsible for anything that happens to your computer if you install Windows 11 on it and it does not meet the minimum requirements. You will also not be able to get a security updates or even future updates of Windows 11. So having said that, let's continue. Well, to get started, you'll need to download Windows 11 ISO file, and we are going to download this from Microsoft, and that is a good indication that we are in fact downloading a secure operating system. And so I'll be leaving this link in the description of this video, from where you can be able to download this specific file. So as you can see, it says download Windows 11 here, and we need to scroll down, so we need to ignore all this stuff, and we need to go to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO, in which now you need to come and select the edition that you want. In my case, I selected the Moot edition. Of course, is the only option that we have there, and then you just click on the download. Upon clicking the download, it is going to open this other option here, which requires you to select the language. So you need to come down here and select your language. In my case, of course, I'll go with English, and then I'll just confirm this, and it will download the ISO file. So it's about 4.5 GB, so you need to be having the data or be on Wi-Fi. So when that is downloaded, of course I have it downloaded in my case, so I don't need to download it again. So I'm just going to take you to that specific location where I have that file. So this is a specific file that you're going to get, and then of course you need to extract it. Now before you start installing Windows 11, I need you to delete a file called appraiserres.dll. So to be able to delete that, let me just show you where that file is, so that you can be able to easily locate it. So I'm going to open this with WinRAR, and then I'm just going to come and say open. In your case, you're going to extract it, because of course you cannot be able to install it or install Windows from the zipped file. So you need to of course extract it, and then after you extract it, I would recommend that you extract it on the desktop. So move it to the desktop, like move the whole zipped file to the desktop and extract it while it is on the desktop, and then move to the sources folder. And then in the sources folder, you're going to delete this file called appraiser.dll. So remove that, and you'll be able to easily install Windows 11. You also need to do something else. You'll also need to edit the registry. So I will need you to just go to your search and look for registry editor. So just search for registry editor, and it should open something like this. Of course, you need to be the admin or have some authority from the admin to be able to open this specific location. And then after that, now you need to navigate to this specific location. I'll leave this stuff in the description of this video, so that you can just copy and paste it in this specific location. So it is the HK local machine system setup and MoSetup. Just click on that, and it is in that location that we are right now. And here in your case, you might not find anything, because what we are looking for is this specific stuff that reads allow upgrades with unsupported TPMOrCPU. So in my case, I didn't create this because, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I had already upgraded to Windows 11 because I was a Windows 10 insider. And when you are when you have Windows 11 Insider sometimes back, you are able to easily upgrade to Windows 11. I don't know whether it is possible until now, but I have not been able to do that in my case. So this was created in my case, but in your case, if it is not created, then what you just need to do is to right click on an empty space, then select new, and then you're going to create a new DWORD 32-bit value, and then you're going to name that specific file that you're going to create under this name, or you're going to give it this specific name. So when you have it created and with this name, you just need to double click it and ensure that the value data is 1, and then after that you just say OK. And then now after that, all you now need to do is to just come and run the setup. So then after that, you need now to come and of course run the setup here, and it should comfortably install Windows 11 on your computer. Let me know in the comments below if you have any problem. If it just tells you that you don't meet the minimum requirements, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than ready to help. And that's simply how you can be able to install Windows 11 on unsupported computer. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. See you in the next one.